Okay, today we are discuss about the remaining data types. So first we discuss about the bytes data type. Next we discuss about the byte array data type. Byte byte array data type. And next we go for list data type. List, and then we go for tuple, and then we go for next list after a list we go for the set, and we go with the frozen set, and the last and data type is one more data type is there, range data type. Range. So another data type we are having set and frozen set, range, and the final thing is dictionary data type. So dict data type, and one more data type is there. Final one, non data type. So we discuss one by one here with the examples. So I am putting these into comments. Okay. Now we see here first bytes. What is bytes? So here the byte data types is a data type which stores data from 0 to 256 only. 0 to 256 only. The bytes is nothing but is a combination of zeros and ones. And so we seen here, and one more thing, the byte data type, if mistakenly we are trying to provide another any value for more than 256, it gives error. So we give with the example x equal to, I am giving a set here 1 2 3, and I am converting this to b equal to bytes, not byte array, bytes of x, and print b. We see here it prints the bytes here b, means in the binary format, zeros and ones. If I want to get the element of first one, so we can go with the b of 0. And also one more thing, byte stores up to the values 256 only. I am giving 257. Then it gives byte must be range in 0 to 256. This is about bytes. And one more thing also, with the negative indexing and positive indexing also possible in the bytes. I want to get, if I want to get the last element, I can go with the -1. We seen in this, this is in slicing, string slicing. Okay. Bytes of means byte must be in the range of 0 to 256, and give 255. Then we see, so 255 we are getting, and this is bytes are immutable in nature, so we cannot add the element into the bytes. We cannot add the element into the bytes. If suppose I am given 221 b of 0 position, so it gives item does not support assignment operator. So byte array. One more data type we are having is byte array. A byte array is exactly same as bytes data type, except that it elements can be modified. Here we in the bytes we cannot modify the elements. In the byte array we see here byte array, not bytes array, byte array of x, we see b of 0 equal 21. So all features are same, except it allows modification. It allows modification. So we see we are getting zeros and ones like this. So if we want to print the each and every element, we go with the for for I in b, print of I. So it displays the elements. For I in expected indentation. So indentation miss. That's why it's getting error. Very important here. So I am assigning value 21, 21, 2, 3, and 255. So replacing 1 with the 21. So the main difference between byte and byte array is bytes are immutable in nature, byte array is a mutable in nature. Everything is same. Now we go for the list, next list. List is nothing but which is a heterogeneous elements. Okay, here I am giving hello, also it will take. And if I am giving any decimal values also it can take, which is enclosed in the square brackets, and the insertion order is preserved. Duplicates elements are also allowed. Duplicate elements are also allowed. Here three given three, and here also it is a global in nature. Value should be enclosed in the square bracket. These are the list features. Okay, so instead of x, I am giving here list. You see. Okay, now I want to modify list of zeroth position. Zeroth position. I want to, so we can go for the print to print the list. Okay, list of zero I am giving 100. So print list. See here, earlier we are having 1, 2, 3, 255, and zeroth position, index position. I am replacing 1 with 100, and I want to uh, duplicate the values, means I want to repeat the values in the same list. You can go with the star operation. Okay, it gives double values, 10, 20, like this. 10, 100, 2, 255, hell, 2.53, and again start with 100, and all the values will get. Negative indexing also is possible in the list. We can go for the print list of -1. We already seen these things in the strings concept, negative indexing and slicing. So -1. So I want to get the elements from first position to last position. I will give the here 0, or I want to print all the elements. We can give the colon, then we'll get all the elements. Okay. Now I am comment out this one, and see here only one output will get 100 to 3 to 55 and 3. I want to print from the range 0 to third element, means I have to give fourth element. It gives 0 to third, 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. I want to get minus how many elements we are having, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7. 7 means 6. So I can go with the -6 to -1. Like this also we can get the elements. So this is indexing, negative indexing, and multiplication and everything. Next concept is called as what? Tuple. The main difference between list and tuple is the list is mutable, means we can change the elements, and the tuple we can't change the elements, and also the tuple is enclosed in the parenthesis. uh, Parenthesis, enclosed in the parenthesis. We see here t tuple. I am giving tuple as t, and I want to print the type of. I want to print the type first. It is tuple or not? We know. We should know. Then this is tuple. So tuple doesn't allow modification. Okay. We see here t of 0 equal to, I am giving 100. It gives an error. See here. Tuple object does not support item in assignment, but we can retrieve the tuple elements by using indexing. Print t of 9. Go for, not go for the type. We go for the, I want to take the element of 0th position. Top 0, 1 we getting, and we can get 4th, 5th, or 6th any position also 2.5. The main difference between tuple and list is there. Uh, it is same, or it allows duplicates and everything, but it immutable. Tuple is immutable. We can't change the values. Another data type we see here before going to set and frozen set, range. Range is a data type, means it is a sequence of numbers, and which is also immutable. We can't change the values. So we can give the range. Syntax is range start, stop, and comma, we give comma, start, stop, and step. This is the range syntax. We can go with the ash, then to with this comment out. So I am giving r equal to range of 10. It gives the values, and we see it gives the range is print r means we can go with the for loop for I in r print r, not r here. We go for the I, the elements is I. We see this one here, indexing is missed, that's why it is giving error. uh, Print type of r it will give. See here is 0 starts with 0 and ends with n minus 1. The range type is this one. We are having here positions from 10 to 20 also, it will display from starting 10 and ends with 19. We I want to print only the even numbers. I can go like this: 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. I want only the odd numbers, means I have to start here with 11, and otherwise I go with the 9 and step. It give from 9, 11. Otherwise I can give 11, 11, 11, 13, 15, 17. It will get the things like this. And he can we cannot change these elements, and if suppose I want to forcibly add r of 0, we cannot change. So that is called as range function. Next we are having set data type. Set means it is a group of values without duplicates where the order is not important, then we should go for the set data type. So here the set we give like this: s equal to, the duplicates is not allowed in the set, but it allows heterogeneous elements. Set 10 hello hello. So this is heterogeneous elements. So I want to print s, can go with the print s, and if I want to get the and it, which is unordered. So see here s of 0. Set is object is not subscriptable, means unordered indexing is not possible in the set, but we can modify the settlements by using add method, and we can remove the settlements by using remove method. I want to remove 100, s remove hello, otherwise hello, and print s. See here, answer. See here, I removed this hello and the only 110. That means that it is not indexed. So that's why the output changes when we are executing this program. So I want to add the element is add. We can add the element hello again. Hello instead of hello, I want to add by. You will get clear idea about this. So I added, but I did not print it now. So print s 10 100. Initially the values 100 10. I removed hello and I printed, this one is printed here, and I added by and print s, so it's coming 10 by 10, which is it is a growable nature, it is a mutable, and index concept is not applicable for the set, and heterogeneous objects are allowed, duplicates are not allowed, inserts not preserved. Not preserved, insert not is not, that's why we are not having index. Frozen set means it is same as set except which is immutable. So see here I am converting this set into frozen set, then I want to print fs. So I want to add the element, what will happen we see. Okay, before that we execute this frozen set. So frozen set hello, like this it is printing. I want to add the element to this to frozen set by. What will happen? It gives an error. Frozen set object has no attribute of add. This is about frozen set. And one more data type we are having, dictionary. What is dictionary? You already know about the dictionary. Dictionary, in the dictionary we are having two values, that is key value pair, keys and values. Like the student roll list is there now, roll number and name. Here the roll number is not duplicated, and the names can may be duplicated. Names may be duplicated. So, for example, we see here dictionary. We create dictionary with the flower brushes only. It is having key value place and 101, as well as we see here Ravi and 102 as Kiran. Okay, and see here. I want to print this D here. Then we see. So 101. So you want to get whether it is a dictionary or not. We have to check now. Print uh, type of D. Then we get this is class dictionary type, and also I want to it is doesn't allow duplicates. I told I want to 101 here. What will happen? 101. In the 101 I am initializing as ready. So here what will happen? Here the first 101 is Ravi and the last 101 is Reddy. It takes last element. It remove. It doesn't calculate, means it doesn't keep that 101 old value in this output we see here. So 101 is ready and 102 is Kiran. The old value should not preserve. Okay, duplicate keys are not allowed, but values can be duplicated. If we are trying to insert an entry with duplicate key, then old value will be replaced with the new value. And also dictionary is a mutable and order is won't preserve. So we have to keep in mind here some more things, and another thing is none function is there. None means nothing, no value associated. If the value is not available, then to handle such type of classes or cases, none is introduced. Example, I have function one function definition a definition a. I assigned a equal to 10. I didn't return any value here. I want to print a function here. See here, if suppose I print this like this, it gives an address of this a, but I want the elements of a. What will give? It gives none because it doesn't return anything. If suppose I have given return a, what will happen? Let's see. It prints 10. I did not return anything. That's why it is giving none. This is a non data type. So this is a brief summary of these data types. We will see in the next concepts list, tuple, set, and present set. We do more programs with this. And before that, please subscribe and like for my channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.